Way they go. Golden and Gap from the outside is market value. Joel's Choice, Sally Street, and High Earnings is the early trailer. Joel's Choice now the leader, followed by Golden and Gap. Rushing up Sally Street alongside is market value and High Earnings running down on the inside. Joel's Choice by some 3 lengths, Golden and Gay. And on the outside is market value. In between runner Sale Street by the rail is High Earnings. And nearing the far turn, Joel's Choice by some 3 lengths, Golden and Gay. Market value is on the outside, High Earnings and Sale Street. Nearing the last 500, Joel's Choice followed now by Market Value and Golden and Gay running in third alongside Sale Street and High Earnings as they race the final corner. Market Value, Joel's Choice down on the inside and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Market Value by some 2 lengths now, Joel's Choice, High Earnings, and nearing the finish line, Market Value by some 4 lengths, and finally Market Value, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, second. Joel's Choice, High Earnings, Golden and Gay, and Sale Street comes last.